Welcome to a video des ventilateurs du Québec. This is going to be an unboxing of this Nadair Industriel 140 centimeters in white finish from 1984. Yes, you heard correctly, 1984 and still in its original box. As you can see, this specific model was sold as a twin pack, so 2 fans in one box. The seller was very nice and let me buy only one while still getting the original box, so that was very nice of him. I didn't need it to have 2 of these fans exactly alike, just one was enough. As you can see, this model is reversible. It is not reversible in the sense that it has a reverse switch, but rather that it's just like the can arms, depending on how you wire it. It will either go in clockwise or counterclockwise. So this model is made all of metal, and it has an interesting mixture of parts, of Taiwanese and Hong Kong parts. It is that model with the flat Taiwanese motor and the very wide tat blades. Being nearly 40 years old, of course the cardboard of the box is not in the best condition. It's deteriorating, as you can see, but it's still pretty cool, you know, to get to see the original box. And as you can see, it has the older Nadair logo. I believe they changed the logo sometime really not long after this, probably in 1987 or so, 86 or 87 that the logo was changed. So yeah, this is the early Nadair logo. Only 58 watts at maximum speed. 250 RPMs at maximum speed. About 8 kilos, the whole fan. And yes, it comes with a 45 centimeter extension pole. We can see the date here, the 3rd of October 1984. The 2 canopies seems to be exactly the same size. Very classic flat-shaped Taiwanese motor. The usual Nadair sticker. They've used this design of sticker for a long time, like even in the 2000s they were still using this general style of sticker. The capacitor. The wiring here. So if it's just like a can arm, I believe you put like the red and the white together and the blue and the black together to make it go in counterclockwise direction. This is the box for the blades and the extension pole. Cette boîte contient un ensemble de 3 pales en métal courbé et une tige pour un ventilateur réversible industriel Nadair. As you can see, it also has a manufacturing date here of the 3rd of October 1984. 45-centimeter long extension pole. As you can see, the instruction manual also has a date of October 1984. This one is precisely the 1st of October 1984. As you can see, at that time, Nadair had a different address than the current one. This is their old address. Nowadays, they're based in Laval. And so the blades are made by Tat. Exactly the same blades that Canarm used on some of their fans around, I believe, between 1982 to 1988 or so. Very, very wide blades. Quite heavy also, of course. Nice glossy finish. This model is pretty unique to the brand Nadair. It's made from an interesting mixture of parts from Taiwan and Hong Kong at the same time. As you can see, the blades are clearly from Tat, and then the motor is one of those classic flat-shaped Taiwanese motor. I'm guessing the fan was probably boxed and packed locally right here in Montreal. Normally you wouldn't have a fan looking like this arriving straight from Asia. I'm guessing what happened here is that they ordered all these bulk parts from both Taiwan and Hong Kong to create this model, and they put all the parts together as for one fan here locally here in Montreal, and everything was probably boxed here locally in Montreal. This is what I'm guessing what happened here with this pretty unique looking model. Here it is installed. I'm showing it here with a 30 centimeter extension pole. The one that's included with the fan is a little bit longer. It's a 45 centimeter one. Here's high speed. The box has 0.48 amps on high speed, so it's right about that. Or 56 watts. Excellent air movement with these very wide blades. Of course the blades are pretty heavy, so as you can see this specific fan here is not too crazy in terms of RPMs. The box has 250 RPMs on high speed. I would have estimated a little less, probably like more like 235, 240. But yeah, the air movement is definitely not compromised. Very, very strong breeze here. And not all concentrated only under the fan, having curved blades. It blows air in also to the side, you know, in various directions, like I said. Very good air movement. Here's the second highest speed. The second highest speed here probably does about, I want to say around 140 RPMs, probably a little bit more. Still blows a lot of air, but more quietly. Here's the second lowest speed. The second lowest speed here probably does about 110 RPMs. Here's a low speed. Very nice low speed of only about 30 to 35 RPMs. Yet we can still feel a little breeze coming off of it. It's pretty quiet. Well, here you go. I hope you enjoy seeing the video of this Nadair Industriel, 140 centimeters in white finish, new in the box from 1984. Et voilà, j'espère que la vidéo de ce Nadair Industriel 140 cm en blanc, neuf dans la boîte d'origine de 1984, vous a plu. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.